Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact IT on store. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to make purchases, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you easily make purchases on your Apple device. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, you have to simply make it sure that there are enough funds in your payment method. So guys, check your account and make sure that there are enough funds in your account, and if there are no enough funds in your payment method, then add some funds and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is open settings in your device and then tap on profile and then tap on subscriptions and check your history, and if there is any unpaid subscription on your Apple account, then simply pay for this. So guys, here you will see all of your subscription, and if there is any unpaid subscription, you have to simply pay for this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to tap on your profile again and then scroll it below and tap on payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply enter your password for your Apple account and then tap on sign in. And now from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time. So guys, simply remove your payment method for one time, and after this sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again, and then go to payment and shipping again and add your payment method correctly this time. So I simply add your payment method correctly, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.